Filter merged cells correctly in Excel. Filtering merged cells in Excel can give you incomplete results. When one merged label covers several rows, Excel may show only the first related row after filtering. Here are 2 ways to filter a merged value and display all the rows that belong to it. Method 1. Use a helper column with Excel's built-in tools. To protect the original layout, keep the merged column unchanged and create a separate helper column. Select the merged cell's data and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Then press Ctrl+V to paste it into the blank helper column. Select the original merged cells, go to the Home tab, and click Merge Center to unmerge them. The merged labels are now separated, but the cells underneath them are blank. Press Ctrl+G to open the Go to dialog box, and then click Special. Choose Blanks and click OK to select every blank cell in the helper column. Type an equal sign, and then select the cell directly above the active blank cell. Press Ctrl+Enter to fill every selected blank with the value from the cell above. Select the pasted merged cells in the helper column, and click Format Painter. Then drag the Format Painter to the corresponding cells in the original column to apply the same merged cell formatting. Now apply a filter and choose the required value from the helper column. Excel displays every related row, while the original merged cells remain unchanged. This method works, but it has several limitations. It requires an extra helper column and several manual steps before you can filter the data. The helper column does not update automatically. If the merged cell layout changes, you need to recreate the helper column before repeating the process. For large worksheets or repeated use, Method 2 is recommended. Method 2. Filter merged cells with Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open your workbook. Select the column that contains the merged cells you want to filter. Go to the Kutools Plus tab, and click Special Filter. Special Filter. In the dialog box, choose Format, and then select Merge Cells from the drop-down menu. Click the Selection button and choose the merged cell whose related rows you want to display. Click OK. Click OK again, and Kutools immediately filters the complete merged group. All rows related to the selected merged value remain visible in the worksheet. There is no helper column, no need to unmerge the cells, and no formula to fill down. The original merged layout stays intact, so there is less risk of changing the source table. You can select the merged value directly, making the process clearer and much faster. For a small one-time task, Excel's helper column method may be enough. But for large worksheets or frequent filtering, Kutools provides the simpler and more direct solution.